guy who played Snape. Oh, hold on, the volume's not up.
Like the real Snape or the faux
No,
Snape?
the faux Snape.
I have no interest in the faux Snape.
You're gonna have a lot of interest in 1 second.
I thought it was a girl. Oh, that's
Malfoy.
The faux Snape.
And he interviews, like, members.
Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of the Potion Masters Club. I am having such but enough of it.
I'm not laughing because this is funny.
Yes, you
My
are.
guest today is
I'm laughing
none
because
other.
it's the only thing that's made you happy so far.
It's none other than Mr. Joseph Joey Richter. Hi.
Who's he?
Yeah, I'm wonderful. I'm
Who's that guy?
He plays Ron in the show.
When I woke up, there were cookies. Shut up. Yeah, right there. Right there? Right there in your bed? Well, kind of.
This of all things has made you laugh.
So, Mr. Richter, tell me about the name Joey. Where did it come from? Because your real name is Joseph, right? My real name is Joseph.
Wow, this is in depth.
No, go ahead, Joey. Yeah.
Well, my mom always called me Joey or Joe, or, yeah, I just...
So she would say something like, Joey, Joe, come downstairs for breakfast, I make cookies.
Yeah, I haven't cookies for breakfast.
What is wrong with his face?
it's like our household.
I mean, I tried
You
to...
sound like Snape. You sound like both.
Just shut up!
But yeah,